I don't know, I feel like my face is just burning and I can't breathe right now. I don't know if it's because I'm hot. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm finally doing a Kylie skin review. Kylie skin review, yeah, I said it. So, you know, I love Kylie, I'm not gonna lie, I love her. And I wanted to know what is really Kylie's skin about. Like, I wanted to try myself because people be saying that, oh, it's a bad product, it gives you pimples, something. So I wanted to know myself. I wanted to give my real review because I know some people just tend like to say bad things because they don't like Kylie. I mean, I'm not saying that the product is good because I don't know yet, but I wanted to tell you guys the truth about it, okay? Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, okay guys, I won't lie to you, but when I ordered this product, I thought it was a scamming because after I ordered, like a few minutes later, I wanted to cancel the transaction, but I couldn't cancel it because they said that you can return it or you can cancel either. So I tried to email them to, you know, to cancel, and they did not answer me back. I was like, my money, I was like, I got scammed. I was so scared. And then I called my bank, and my bank is like, oh, we cannot cancel the transaction. Kylie has to be the one canceling. So I'm calling Kylie. I'm like, sis, just cancel my transaction, please. Sis, I have to pay rent. I don't have money. But anyways, it wasn't a scamming. Thank God it was not a scamming. But the package took like 2 days or 3 days to come. This is so heavy on my head. But it took like 2 days or 3 days to come. That was really fast. So I was like, wow. Okay. Okay, anyways, let's start with that video. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I don't know why. Listen, I don't really care if this will give me pimples. I will just keep it in my room because it's pink. And I'm lying to you guys. But I love how the package is so beautiful. It comes with a little post. Okay, so guys, when you guys, oh, this is much better. When you guys open the package, it will look something like this. And then here it will say your address and everything. And it comes like in a pink. Well, I ordered 1, 2, 3, 4. I only ordered 4 products, and this is why it came like that. But if you order 5, I think it will come like different. I'm not sure. With that video, foaming face. So this is the foaming face. The foaming looks something like this. So pretty. And when you open, it's pink! Ay, Kylie. Am I obsessed with Kylie? Okay. It says apply in the wet phase. So let's get everything wet. Okay. It has a smell. It smells like regular soap. Okay. I'm gonna close my eyes because I'm scared to get in my eyes. Okay. It's not bad as they. It's not bad, honestly, but it's not bad. It's just it has a smell like soap. Yeah. And oh my god, it smells like soap. It's not bad. I think I would use this. I think I just love the point. I just love because it's pink. No, this is the toner. Oh my god, Kylie. Oh my goodness, Jesus. Auntie, give it to them, man. Okay, this one is a toner. Again, it comes in the 236 ounces. It says for you to apply after the toner, after the foaming, and never apply. Oh, this one just leaves your face dry. It leaves your face dry, but I'm gonna use for a week, and I will give you guys a review. Okay, so I will use it for a week because I feel like as if you really can tell what a product does to you when you use it on the first day. I mean, I have an oily face, so the fact that this leaves my face dry, I kind of like it. But it says apply with the cotton. Ooh, it has like a milky consistency. Looks like milk. You need some milk. It smells like coconut and milk. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I like it. Oh, milk, vanilla. I don't know if I'm supposed to dip it or what. I'll crush your face a little. Okay, auntie. So this one is just I feel like my face is burning now. Oh my god, my face is burning. I don't know if this is good or bad, but it's Kylie. My face right now is burning. I mean, people usually say that when you try something and it hurts because it's working, but sometimes that's not the case, so I'm not pretty sure. Okay, this is the moisturizer, but I don't know which one is after though. Okay, I'm just gonna go with the moisturizer. The moisturizer. I don't know, I feel like my face is just burning and I can't breathe right now. I don't know if it's because I'm hot. Maybe. But I kind of... This is the moisturizer. As you guys can see. For me, it's very heavy for a moisturizer. And it feels like a body lotion. Not like a face moisturizer, but hey, don't judge the book by its cover. Maybe it will work better than the other moisturizer. Who knows? Yeah, it just doesn't have a. This one smells like. It doesn't have a smell. It smells like body lotion. Like, you know, it smells like nothing. So maybe that's good because I don't think that thing that should be in your face should have moisturizer. We're gonna do the last one. So this is the last one. This is the vitamin C serum. Our products just have a different smell. And this is made of, I don't like it because this is made of glass, so it can break. I don't really like it. I don't know if I should be feeling like this or not, but okay. Okay, my face feels very sticky, I could say. But I kind of like it, I'm not gonna lie. I like it, it's just I feel hot. I don't know, because I have the rope and the towel, but I feel very hot and it feels like it's burning a little bit. Well, not burning, like, you know, when you have something in your face, it just feels like, how can I explain? But overall, I like it. And I think for me, she should also have like something for the lips too, like a natural lips, like, you know, lips, something like to take the dead lips, to take the dead lips skin, the dead skin lips. Yes, but overall, I really like it. Whoa, I enjoyed it. My favorite one out of all of them was a vanilla milk toner. I liked it because it took a lot of dirt from my face. I don't know if this is good. I mean, it's good. It took a lot of tone from my face. And what else? The one that I didn't really like the most, the one that I felt like I couldn't breathe, was the moisturizer. Because I feel like for a moisturizer, it was too thick. It seemed more like a body lotion for me. Wow, you see? I almost broke, baby. Okay. It seemed more like so I honestly loved it. I'm not gonna lie, but would I use this every day? I'm not pretty sure. So I will use this for a week and I will let you guys know my reaction, how my skin looked after I used it for a week. But I would say it's good, and people are saying that the price is really expensive. I don't think it's expensive because I know for sure you guys be buying like facial product that is like $50 for one bottle. So from each bottle, honestly, each bottle will like 20 something, 30 something. I don't think that's expensive for face. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and this will also be a giveaway. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to get one of those, if you want to get the whole product, let me know everything. If you want to get just one product, also let me know. And yeah guys, yay! Bye guys, see you soon in the next video. Okay.